My name is Josh Corrigan, and I'm gonna share you a story about the struggles of being a slow learning student. Meet Kate, a student who struggled with learning her whole life. She always feels like she's falling behind, like her brain just can't keep up. But one day, Kate realized that she wasn't stupid. She was just a slow learner, and that was okay because slow learning isn't about being smart and stupid. It's about taking your time and to understand. Kate learned to work at her own pace and she started to achieve her goals. The power of slow learning is that it allows you to understand deeply, to retain information, and to achieve your goals. It is not about being slow, it's about being intentional.